Imagine setting yourself apart from the competition because your organization is always secure, always available, and always ahead of the curve. That's NetGain Technologies, your total one source for cybersecurity, IT support, and technology planning. Picture picking up the phone and having decades of technology and cybersecurity expertise on the other end, like a bat phone, but with a team of specialists ready to make your business faster, easier, and more profitable. Since 1984, NetGain Technologies has designed, built, and implemented customized technology solutions for businesses of all kinds. They offer a clear roadmap and security plan to keep threats at bay, all at a predictable, affordable monthly cost. NetGain Technologies supports organizations across the United States, providing the benefits of a fully staffed in-house IT department and security team at a fraction of the cost. Get peace of mind. Get competitive. Get NetGain. Contact NetGain today at 844-777-6278 or reach out online at netgainit.com. That's netgainit.com and get ahead of your competition today. Big news has been happening on the field of artificial intelligence. Mira Murati, former CTO of OpenAI, the organization that brought us all generative AI and made it mainstream, which has transformed the way that we do business right in front of our daily eyes. She announced recently that she's stepping down from OpenAI, quote, to create the time and space to do my own exploration, unquote, whatever that means. In a memo she sent to employees, later shared on X, Ms. Murati said she's stepping away to create this time for her exploration. And she said, quote, for now, my primary focus is doing everything in my power to ensure a smooth transition, maintaining the momentum we've built. And what momentum they have built, because it's been astronomical. It is truly a generational shift and paradigm shift. Very similar to the actual democratization of the automobile. But hours after she announced that, OpenAI's chief research officer, Bob McGrew, and vice president of research, Barrett Zoff, announced their plans to leave as well. Mr. Zoff said in a post on X, formerly Twitter, that he was, quote, exploring new opportunities, while Mr. McGrew said in a separate post that it was, quote, time for him to take a break. These people are literally at the epicenter of technology advancement today. So why are they leaving? The OpenAI executives are exiting the startup as its chief executive officer, Sam Altman, who is really the face of OpenAI, and several others on his team are transforming it into a traditional for-profit company. Most people don't even know that it wasn't a for-profit company. OpenAI is currently exploring a plan to restructure its primary business into a for-profit benefit corporation, according to Reuters and several other outlets, citing anonymous inside sources. The move would grant CEO Sam Altman equity for the first time in this artificial intelligence startup, giving him a 7% stake, according to Bloomberg. The discussions are happening just as OpenAI Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati is leaving, as well as the others. OpenAI is currently in the midst of a funding round, reportedly seeking to raise $6.5 billion on a $150 billion valuation. This should turn out to be a massively successful funding round, industry experts predict. Follow us for more, because this story is not over, and it is literally at the epicenter of emerging technology today. Well, that wraps this up. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed our episode. The next one is coming right up. We appreciate you making this an award-winning podcast and downloading on Apple and Spotify and subscribing to our YouTube channel. This is Cybercrime Junkies, and we thank you for watching.